We remain beyond the dawn, beyond time itself. The stars still burn above the ruins where forgotten kingdoms sleep. Every shadow tells a story, every promise we still keep. Through the ashes of forever, through the silence of the years, we have walked beyond the darkness. We have conquered all our fears. Feel the fire, feel the night, feel eternity arise. We are eternal after midnight, children of the endless sky. Through the darkness we are rising, and the night will never die. We are eternal after midnight, hear our voices through the storm. In the shadows we are timeless, in the darkness we are born. Every blood moon lights the heavens, every heartbeat fuels the flame. From the ruins of the old world, we return again and again. Ancient spirits walk beside us,